G'day guys, Morgan Jones here from Business Insurance Group, and today I just wanted to share with you guys 3 quick tips as to what you should be looking for in an insurance broker. Now, a lot of people that I speak to, they've just always dealt with the same broker, or they just really don't know any different. So they'll often just keep dealing with someone who's not giving them the basic levels of service or the basic qualities that they should be getting out of the broker. Now, these 3 are just really the base level, but these should be your non-negotiables. If you're not getting this, then you shouldn't be working with that person at all. So the first of those is that they should be taking a genuine interest in your business. If you just get your bill every time it rolls around every year and they just say, I've renewed your policy and there it is, that's not good enough. It really should be a genuine interest in your business. Now, whether you guys exchange emails or you talk on the phone or you meet face to face, they should be trying to find out what's changed in your business, what's going on, and is this insurance appropriate for what you're doing. The same thing goes when they're setting it up in your business. They should be actually looking through your business and figuring out what's changed, what they should be looking at, where your risks are, and how we can address that with insurance, rather than just going, here's a policy, pay it. So if you ever get that feeling you're just being sent a bill, then you should be looking elsewhere. That's just absolutely unacceptable as far as a broker goes. The second is that they should be a force to be reckoned with on the subject of insurance. You should feel that when you're talking to this person, you have the ultimate confidence in what they're saying. If you go to them with an insurance question, they either know or they know exactly how to find out, and they're very, very sure, and they speak with a lot of conviction when they talk about insurance. You should never be left there thinking, I don't know if this is right. You should be conveyed an absolute feeling of trust by what they're saying. And the third thing is that they should be willing to fight as hard for you at the time of the claim as they were to win your business. So if you get someone who, they're talking all the sales talk and they want to sign you up and they want to get your premium, but then when it comes time to manage a claim, they go running, well, that's once again just completely unacceptable. So they should be willing to take you up through the different channels that you've got of appeal, so up through the internal dispute resolution process all the way to the ombudsman, fighting to the end of the earth to get your claim paid. So unless you've had a claim, you don't really know whether your broker does that, but you can always ask, what is your process, and get an agreement from the outset from that broker as a part of your terms of engagement that they're going to manage your claims right till the end. So they're the 3 that I'd be saying are absolutely non-negotiable. Obviously there's a whole lot more, and that's what you build into your discussions on service with the broker. But if you're not getting at least those 3 things, you really need to come and have a chat to us. So our details are on our website, or else get in touch with us through this video. Cheers.